Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. Today we will be doing chapter 5, our freedom struggle. The test skills are the British rule, the freedom struggle, the revolt of 1857, role of Mahatma Gandhi. And the first question comes to you is, who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning, Lord Ripon, Lord Curzon and Lord Hardinge. And the correct option is A. It's Lord Canning. Number 2. Who among the following were the first to come to India and start the trade? A. French, B. English, C. Portuguese, D. Dutch. And the correct option is C. The Portuguese. Number 3. One of the policies introduced by British enabled them to take control of any Indian state. If the ruler of that state had died without leaving a natural born heir, which had to be the ruler's own son. What was the name of this policy? A. Subsidiary alliance, B. Albert Bill, C. Morley-Minto reforms and D. Doctrine of lapse. And the correct option is Doctrine of lapse. Number 4. Sirajuddaula was the Nawab of Dash. A. Bhopal, B. Bengal, C. Gujarat, D. Rajasthan. And the correct option is B. Bengal. Who gave this famous slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Khudiram Bose, C. Subhash Chandra Bose and D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the correct option is D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was one of the leaders of Indian National Congress who felt the need to involve the common people of India in the struggle for freedom. He gave the slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Number 6. The incident that led Mahatma Gandhi ji to call off the non-cooperation movement was dash. A. Jallianwala Bagh massacre, B. Partition of Bengal, C. Chori Chaura incident, D. Swadeshi movement. And the correct option is C. Chori Chaura incident. Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement against the British in 1920. He asked the people of India not to cooperate with the British government. However, the protests grew violent and on one such occasion an angry mob burnt down a police station at Chori Chaura, killing 22 policemen. This incident hurt Gandhiji, so he called off the movement. Number 7. He was a prominent leader of Indian National Congress. He formed the Indian National Army to overthrow the British rule from India. Who was he? A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Veer Savarkar, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. And the correct option is D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a prominent leader of Indian National Congress. He formed Indian National Army to overthrow the British rulers from India. 8. Identify the revolutionary shown in the picture who played a significant role in the struggle for freedom. A. Bhagat Singh, B. Rajguru, C. Sukhdev, D. Chandrasekhar. And the correct option is A. Bhagat Singh. Number 9. By profession, Mahatma Gandhi was a dash. A. Barrister, B. Teacher, C. Doctor, D. Engineer. And the correct option is A. Barrister. At the age of 18 years, Gandhiji went to London to train as a barrister. Number 10. In the northwestern part of India, the civil disobedience movement was led by dash. A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. And the correct option is B. Mahatma Gandhi. The civil disobedience movement began in early 1930 under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. It started with the Dandi March in Gujarat. The movement soon spread in whole India. (11) Gandhiji launched the Dandi March to break the dash. A. Caste system, B. Salt law, C. Sati Pratha, D. Parda system. And the correct option is B. Salt law. According to the salt law introduced by the British government, people were not allowed to make salt from the sea water. They had to purchase the salt from the British at a higher price by paying salt tax. Gandhiji decided to break this law and marched from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad to Dandi on seashore along with his followers. This march came to be known as Dandi March. Number 12. The Quit India movement was launched in dash. A. July 1942, B. February 1940, C. September 1940, D. August 1940. And the correct option is D. August 1942. It's August 1942. The Indian National Congress, under the leadership of Gandhiji, launched the Quit India movement in August 1942. The famous slogan "Do or Die" was given by Gandhiji during this movement. Number 13. Which Viceroy of India announced the partition of India into India and Pakistan? Clement Attlee, B. Lord Curzon, C. Lord Irwin, D. Lord Mountbatten. And the correct option is Lord Mountbatten. It's number D. Number 14. Who threw bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly in New Delhi on April 8, 1929? Bhagat Singh and Bhukteshwar Dutt. Bhagat Singh and Rajguru. C. Chandrasekhar Azad and Sukhdev. Bhukteshwar Dutt and Sukhdev. And the correct option is A. It was Bhagat Singh and Bhukteshwar Dutt. Bhagat Singh and Bhukteshwar Dutt threw the bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly against the passing of two repressive bills, the Public Safety Bills and the Trade Disputes Bill. And so the correct option is A for number 14. Number 15. Bal Gangadhar Tilak started a newspaper in which he criticized the policies of British government. What was the name of this newspaper? A. Hindu, B. Indian Mirror, C. Kesari and D. Sudhakar. It's D. Sudharak. And the correct option is C, the Kesari. Number 16. The first session of Indian National Congress was held in dash. A. Bombay, C. Calcutta. A. Bombay, B. Calcutta, C. Gujarat, D. Delhi. And the correct option is A. It was Bombay, the first session of Indian National Congress. Number 17. The British government used to prevent coming together of Hindus and Muslims. Option A, Charter Act. Option B, Albert Bill. C, Rowlatt Act. D, Policy of Divide and Rule. And the correct option is D, Policy of Divide and Rule. Number 18. Which of the following is called the First War of Independence? A. Swadeshi Movement, B. Revolt of 1857, C. The Simon Commission, D. The Non-Cooperation Movement. And the correct option is B, the Revolt of 1857. Number 19. Okay, let me explain little bit from the previous question, that is number 18. It is all the British rule. Okay, it was the first revolt of 1857 was to be, this was the revolt against the British rule. It is also known as the First War of Independence. It was the Sipai Mutiny. Okay, number 19. Who was the president at the first session of Indian National Congress? A. W.C. Banerjee, B. Dadabhai Naroji, C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, D. Badruddin Tayabji. And the correct option is A. W.C. Banerjee. The Indian National Congress was started by A.O. Hume. The A.O. Hume stands for Alan Octavian Hume. and the president of the first session was W.C. Banerjee. Number 20. The Muslim League was formed in dash. A. 1904, B. 1905, C. 1903 and D. 1906, and the correct option is 1906. Number 21. Which of the following statements are correct? Number 1. East India Company set up its first trade center in Bombay. The French set up their own trading company and established themselves in Chandanagar in Bengal. Battle of Palashi took place in 1757. The Battle of Buxar was won by Nawab of Awadh. And the correct option is B. Number 2 and number 3 only. The East India Company set up its first trade in Surat. The Battle of Buxar was won by the British. So the correct option is number B. Number 22. Refer to the given word grid. Which of the following cannot be found in the given word grid? A. One of the states captured by British. By applying doctrine of lapse. One of the prominent leaders of revolt of 1857. C. East India Company established its first trading center here in India. D. Founder of the Indian National Congress. And let us see. Sorry. Okay. So the correct option is D. Founder of Indian National Congress. One of the states captured by British by applying doctrine of lapse is Satara. Over here you will get it, Satara. One of the prominent leaders of revolt of 1857 is Nana Sahib. Okay, it is Nana Sahib over here. East India Company established its first trading center here in India. It's Surat. It's over here. Founder of Indian National Congress is A.O. Hume. A.O. Hume cannot be found in the given grid. Okay. We come to question number 23. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Column 1 and column 2. P. Non-cooperation movement 1 is 1915. Q. Gandhiji came back to India from South Africa. Number 2 is 1919. C. Jallianwala Bagh massacre 1905. S. Petition of Bengal 4 1942, and the correct option is number C, that is 4123. Okay. Number 24. Read the given statement and state which one are true and which ones are false. 1. Jawaharlal Nehru was known as the frontier Gandhi. Bal Gangadhar Tilak quoted, "You give me blood and I will give you freedom." Number 3. The revolutionaries believed that the British could be driven away by armed revolution. 4. During a demonstration in Dandi March, Lala Lajpat Rai was hit badly on his head and later died due to injuries. And the correct option is A. Number 1 is false, number 2 is false, number 3 is true, number 4 is false. And the last question is 25. Before that, let me tell you something about the number 25. Little bit let me explain about number 24. Question number 24. The correct answer is A. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was known as the frontier Gandhi. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose quoted, "You give me blood and I will give you freedom." During a demonstration against Simon Commission, Lala Lajpat Rai was hit badly on his head and he later died due to injuries. Okay, now let us go back to number 25, the last question of this chapter. Number 25. What led to the demonstration shown in this picture? A. Introducing of salt law by Sir John Simon. B. Indian goods were being replaced by British goods. C. No Indian was made a member of the Simon Commission. D. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. And the correct option is C. No Indian was made a member of the Simon Commission. The given picture shows demonstrating against Simon Commission that came to India in 1928. This commission was appointed to bring about some reforms in the administration of India, but as no Indian was made a member of this commission, so it was greeted with the slogan, "Simon, go back." So children, we come to an end of this chapter. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. Bye.